What if I told you the role of traditional business consultants is being challenged, not by competitors, but by artificial intelligence? For decades, companies relied on human consultants to analyze data, design strategies, and recommend solutions. But today, AI tools are offering insights in seconds that once took experts weeks to deliver. Could this mean the end of business consulting as we know it? Let's start with what consultants actually do. At their core, consultants provide two things: knowledge and perspective. They gather information about a business, compare it with market trends, and suggest strategies for growth or efficiency. Traditionally, this required human intuition, experience, and countless hours of research. But AI has changed the game. Artificial intelligence can now process massive amounts of data instantly, recognize patterns invisible to the human eye, and even predict future outcomes with impressive accuracy. Tools powered by AI can run financial models, evaluate customer behavior, and suggest optimized strategies in real time. What once required teams of consultants and thick reports can now be accessed through dashboards powered by machine learning. Take an example: a company wants to know why sales are dropping. A consultant would interview employees, analyze spreadsheets, and study market forces. An AI system, however, can plug into sales data, social media feedback, and competitor activity, producing insights within hours. It doesn't get tired, it doesn't carry biases, and it continually learns as new data flows in. Does this mean consultants are obsolete? Not exactly. While AI excels at data analysis and predictive insights, it lacks one critical element: human context. Business challenges aren't only about numbers. They involve culture, emotions, leadership styles, and ethical decisions. A consultant can sit across the table, understand the unspoken concerns of a CEO, and craft a solution that goes beyond algorithms. The future, then, isn't the death of consultants, it's their transformation. Consultants who embrace AI will evolve into strategy partners, using these tools to supercharge their analysis and focus on what machines can't do: human connection, vision, and trust building. The losers will be those who resist change, insisting on outdated methods while AI delivers faster, cheaper, and more precise alternatives. For business owners, the takeaway is simple: AI is no longer optional. If you hire a consultant, ask how they're integrating AI into their process. And if you're a consultant yourself, the time to adapt is now. The question isn't whether AI will disrupt consulting, it already has. The real question is, will you see AI as a replacement or as the ultimate ally for smarter decisions?